Hey there, YouTube and world, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. I've got a package here today that I'm gonna unbox or open. So this was ordered on eBay, and I had to do some bidding, and as you can see, I won the bid. Yeah. So this is actually a very old item. This was first published back in 1984, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, somewhere there, 83, 84. As you can see, it's quite well packed. Alright, so here it is. Captain America, the secret story of Marvel's star-spangled superhero. Alright, so let's try to open this up ever so carefully. And did they pack it well? Okay, so that's why I had to bid for this item. You see, this is like an intact item. Nobody ever touched it before. This is like a brand new item. It was lying on the shelf since its publication back in 1984 or 83, somewhere there. We're gonna check inside. And nobody bought it. So it was just lying there, and this is actually the last copy. And there's also one more last copy on Amazon as well. So yeah, here it is. As you can see, only one left in stock. Order soon. So it's this comic, but it's very rare. So rare as in R-A-R-E, or is it R-E-A-R? I'm not sure, or I'm confused. Hey Philip, leave a comment below what kind of rare this is. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very, very rare item. So let's open it up. Okay, so I'm actually the first person to touch it. Isn't that cool? After it was published. So yeah, awesome. So let's check the publication date inside. Try to make sure if it's 83 or 84. Alright, so from the looks of it, okay, I was wrong. This is much older. This was published back in 1981. I'm so sorry. So it's almost like 29 years old. And for the last 29 years, nobody bought this comic. I'm sure a lot of you viewers here must have seen this when you were a kid. And you might also have it even till now, because some collectors will keep it. Because you see, this edition, it had 4 adventures. It had 4 adventures when it was published back in 1981. So the first one is Spiderman. The second one is the Fantastic Four. The third one is the Incredible Hulk. And the fourth one is Captain America. You see, when it came out, it was only $2.95. Awesome, eh? So, you know, these are the 4 adventures, of which I have this Captain America, and I also have the Spider-Man. So I have these 2. So this Spider-Man was actually gotten by me back in 83 or 84, somewhere there. That's why I was so confused with it, you know. I thought it came out in 83 or 84. That's why I was telling you guys before opening this. I thought it was, you know, published in 83 or 84. It turns out they were all published in 1981. Let's see. Yep, 81. So this has a bit of damage because it's the original Spider-Man, you know, the 29-year-old Spider-Man comic book, and it has been touched by me and read by me, so the condition is not as good, but it's still okay. But this one is like brand new. Nobody touched it. So yeah, this is the secret story of Captain America. So it starts with the very first adventure of Captain America, issue 1 of the pilot edition of the pilot episode. And there is Red Skull, his arch enemy or his foe. So it shows, it starts with the very first adventure, and then it has some explanation or stories in between, and then it adds some other adventures as well. These are all from the 80s, so I love these 80 comics. I don't like the new ones. I like the 80s comic because when I was a kid, these are the kind of pictures and the colors that I used to see. So I got stuck to it. So that's why I'm very, very old school when it comes to comic. I mean, comic book should look like a comic book, you know, and not try to look real or 3D for that matter. I absolutely hate 3D comics. So since I've never opened it, this is the first time I'm also seeing all these pages here. So Spider-Man has a similar format, and it has mixed some adventures, and it introduces all the villain that Spider-Man had, you know. Nice introduction to all the arch enemy of Spider-Man. Everybody is there, you know, starting from the Watchman and all. So I can't see it here on Captain America. I've been scrolling, but this is the very first episode, and of course it wasn't published in 81. This is a republication. It's a condensed format of the origin of Captain America and what Captain America can do, or what his powers are, and who his friends are, who his foe are. So yeah, I'm so happy I was able to bid and win this comic book, and I'm actually bidding on the Incredible Hulk and also the Fantastic Four. So let's hope it goes well. All right. Stay cool, everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.